Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find App Management. Then let's tap on App List. And here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on your device, and what I highly recommend to do here is to simply enter all of those apps. I highly recommend to do that, especially those which are frequently used by you, and to remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So you can freely remove them. So let me, for example, open the Gmail maybe. After entering the app, let's go to Storage and Cache, and here we've got this cache section. So let's simply tap on Clear Cache and your device will immediately remove it. And even though maybe it's not the biggest amount of memory if it comes to one app, but when we will sum all of those which are listed here, and there is a significant amount of memory which you can release. So as I said, highly recommend to do that. And another thing which you can also do in order to kind of speed up your device is to remove junk files using Phone Master. So this app is pre-installed by your developer, for sure you've got one. So just find it and open it. And here you've got something which is called Storage Clean. And as you can see, your device is right now scanning for junk files. You can check the details if you wish, but I simply recommend tapping on Clean, and thanks to it, your device will speed up a little bit. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.